Surprise! Guys, this is Michael and I am Isa's brother. Bibing is what we call here in the family. So Bibing, today is your big day and I want to greet you a happy birthday. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with love, filled with happiness and all the good things in life has to offer. I personally elated and at the same time grateful to have you as our sibling. Guys, you know what? Isa is not just only a name, it is an acronym. And when we hear the word Isa, it denotes her real characteristics. And A stands for adorable, I for inspiring, Z for zestful, and A for amazing. Once again, Bibing, happy birthday. I love you. See you soon. Looking forward to seeing you, to travel with you, not only here in the Philippines, but other country as well, just like Japan. Again, happy birthday, and I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Isa! We love you!
So ito na nga, dumating na yung araw na pinakaaantay mo ang iyong birthday. So halos isang taon mo atang pinaghandaan to, no? Tama ba ako? Excited lang ang peg, no? Well, anyway, enjoy the rest of the day. Forget all the negative vibes at moment mo ngayon. So, i-enjoy mo lang. Masasabi ko lang is wag mo masyadong i-spoil yung mga bata kasi at the end of the day, tsaka pagdating ng araw, sila pa rin magiging kasama mo at para din sa kanila yan, para matuto sila at matulungan ka. So, once again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Salamat sa lahat at salamat na rin sa opportunity na makapunta at makita ang ganda ng Japan. Looking forward na rin ako na makapunta ulit soon. And again, happy 40th birthday. Sabi na lang, life begins at 40. Palagi ka mag-iingat dyan at ingat.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Isa. Sa inyong dalawa ni Irie, happy birthday. God bless na. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Mami Isa and Irie.
Happy birthday, te. Ilan taong ka na? 40. Saan ng tunay na ubasan? As in lola. Ibig sabihin matanda na rin ako. Diba? Mumula pa yung mata ko kasi kakaligo ko lang. Meron akong katrabaho na meron siyang 2 anak. Tapos parang ang hirap-hirap mag-alaga ng anak. Tapos 2 yung kanya. Tapos naalala ko yung sayo pala 4. Diba? Tapos meron akong matrabaho. Paano niyo nagagawa yun? Diba? Kukulit pa naman ng mga anak mo. And yun. Isa kang superhero. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Kana. Yeah. Hi! Happy birthday! Nagsulti na ko ato? Wapa. Sige, sulti sa. Sige na. Ikaw na, sulti ka diha. Happy birthday. Bing, happy birthday! God bless! Ano mga senior? More birthday to come. Happy birthday! Kasi kung sa anak, ganun ako na pag-birthday. Alam mo si Irie! Hi, Irie! Happy birthday! Masa kailan na to? Awa mo sa kasabot. Hi, Isa! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. God bless you. Teka, mauna sa kasabot mo sa happy birthday. Happy birthday, Irie! Happy birthday, Irie! Happy birthday! And din more birthdays to come. God bless you. From all of us, mga guwapings nga mga senior. Wakit! Okay. Ano sa mo mabalik na rin, Beng? Kay, mato pa po ko sa chapel bing, kay mauna. Basta mag-greet na naman kami. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Guwapa kayo ka na lipstick ko dahil. Sige. Sige ka mo palis.
Ikaw bin unsa pa.
Bye, Bing! Muna ka sa ko. Muna ka, Bing.
Hi Isa, happy birthday. 40 na jud ka and ingon nila kay life begins at 40 ko no. But I think you have started your life even before pa. So at 40, you must enjoy more with life. Yeah, take care always. Kaya ang atong puhunan lawas ra jud. So yeah, and then I want to thank you as well on your birthday. I really do want to thank you for being a good friend. Just want to let you know that I really appreciate your life. So, yeah. I wish you all the best. Life could offer you, especially good health. I will always pray for you. God bless you always. And I hope makauli ka dili abtan og 10 years. And see you soon. Enjoy your life, okay? And enjoy the rest of your day as well. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mars! Sana yung 40th birthday mo ay filled with cherry blossom vibes, beautiful, peaceful, and full of joy with the kids. And always remember na dito lang ako, ready to make chika anytime, kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa. And also, celebrate like a queen today because it's your big birthday. But, hinay-hinay lang sa pagkain kasi baka naman mag-Japanese din yung timbangan mo, joke. Anyway, I'm wishing you happiness this year, love, and more blessings. Cheers to you! See you soon!
Hello, ma'am! Happy birthday! Even though lagyo ka, atong panag amigo di na siya maputol or mawala. Baw na ka na, isa ko lang kay chat tagsara. But deep in my heart, charot. You'll always been a good friend of mine. So, amping diha per me o sa kanunay, mag-aampo ko sa Ginoo nga safe mo sa imong mga anak. O charan, darahong mga bata, oh.
Happy birthday, Happy Isaac!
Isang mahal na kaibigan, my BFF from high school, maligayang karawan sa iyong ika-40. Wish you all the best, madam. I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Aiza! Happy birthday, Tita Aiza!
Happy birthday, Ate Ice. I wish you more birthdays to come. Happy 40th birthday. Grabe, hindi halata, Ate Aiza. Stay happy, Ate. More blessings to come. Stay healthy. Stay sexy. Stay maganda. See you soon again. Sana makabalik ka ng Philippines. Or sana naman kami makapunta dyan, diba? Oh. I love you, Ate. Thank you for the 2 decades of friendship. Ingat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ice. Happy birthday. Wala nang drama-drama, pero nakakamiss yung time na lagi ka namin kasama. Nakakamiss yung time na kulitan, tawanan. Kasi ikaw yung tipo ng tao na pagkasama ka, parang hindi ka maboboard. Parang lahat ay pwede maging masaya. Parang lahat ng problema ay pwede makalimutan pag ikaw yung kasama. So, wish ko sa'yo, sana maging successful ka pa. Alam kong successful ka na. Alam ko madam yun. Madam na madam ka na ngayon. Kaya, sana more blessing pa na dumating sa buhay mo. Maging healthy lahat. Pati yung mga anak mo. At sana magka-love life ka na ulit. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ice. Naalala ko nung mga anak pa ako, sabi mo sa akin, sana yung baby mo, magiging ka-birthday ko yan. Tapos, yun nga, ka-birthday mo yung bunso ko. Happy birthday, Ice.
Happy 40th birthday, Iza. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the salon pass. And sakit dito, and sakit everywhere na age. Pero alam ko,
na hindi yun mangyayari sa'yo kasi healthy ka. And stay healthy kasi masipag ka din naman mag-exercise. So, continue mo lang yung exercise mo. I'm sorry, I can't make it today. You know my reasons naman. Okay. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day today. Have a blast. At enjoy kayo lahat dyan. God bless you. Stay healthy and stay strong and brave for your kids. Naman naman ng mga mother, ganyan lagi ang wishes. Thank you for inviting me. Kaso, thank you for the friendship. Sana magstay tayo mag-friends. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Isa. Sana ay happy ka today because it's your birthday. Ano pa ba? Kasi sabi nila pagka birthday mo, sana hindi ka magbago. So ngayon, Happy New Year. Sabi naman nila magbago ka na. So ano bang gusto mo dun sa dalawa? Basta sa akin, sana maging happy ka. Yun. And I hope na magkaroon ako ng contribution para maging masaya ka, Nax. Nandito lang naman ako. Always supporting you. If you need me, then please count on me. I hope na more memories to share, and I hope na kahit pa paano masaya ka na kasama ko. So I hope na pagbalik ko, let's see each other, and I miss you. Happy birthday, and sana happy ka. Bye.